how to enable or disable the number keys row on the keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. After that, we scroll down and tap on General Management. In here, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then scroll down. And from here, we tap on Layout. Then tap on Number Keys. Tap on the toggle button to turn off the number row on your keyboard. Or we can turn on. Tap on the toggle button to turn on number keys to show the number row on the keyboard. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.